Good morning, beach lover. So today I'm going to show you how to install a canvas into a picture frame. Now, instead of using one of my own paintings for this, I'm actually going to use one that my mother-in-law gave me. She is an awesome oil painter, and she painted a ship for myself and my husband to put up in our home. And since I have the tools to install canvas onto a picture frame, I figured I'd take this opportunity to do it and make a little video about it. So here are the tools you're going to need. This is an S-shape bracket, and there is a hole in it for a screw. I have a Phillips head screw. It's about 1/4 of an inch, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You don't need a drill for this, and I really don't recommend a drill for this. When I purchased the brackets, I just bought a collection of different sizes off of Amazon because I wasn't sure what size I'd need. Now in this case, I ended up going up a size, which is why the bracket is a little bit different that I'm installing. This one has 2 holes in it. I'm only going to use the one. It's a little bit taller than the last bracket because the canvas is just sticking out a little bit more than what I thought it was originally when I measured it against the canvas. So what you need to do is place the bracket down so that it's holding the canvas in place, and you screw it into the frame. You don't want to screw into the canvas. It could actually split the wood of the canvas frame, and I've never run into a frame that I'm not able to use a bracket for. The brackets come with the screws that fit them. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and go around the outside and put 1 bracket per side. That's all you need. You don't need multiple. They'll hold them in place. As long as they're the correct size, the canvas is not going to move around. Now, the reason I don't suggest using a drill or a screw gun for this is you could over tighten it and then split the wood in the frame. Doing this by hand, it's not difficult. Just about anybody can do it as long as you can firmly grip a screwdriver. You may have noticed when I was done with one of them and when I finished here with this frame, I do go around and I just push down the bracket to make sure it's pushing as close to the frame as possible so that it's secure. And here the painting is in the frame. This is the front, and now you can see what the back looks like. 4 brackets is all you need. It's beautiful and it will stay in place for a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you at the beach. Bye.